Good morning and welcome your faces back to another vlog. You join me here in Thailand, Chiang Mai. I'm just about to start my 5k run that I do every morning, and this morning's snacks are mango slices, a banana, some energy wake up, and a walk. I just keep trying random stuff every morning, and this is what I'm doing this morning. Let's see what this mango's like. Mango before the banana, banana before the mango. Not sure. We're gonna go mango. If I can get in the bloody packet. The dapper word. Not straight from a mango. Well, it's like the hard bit of a mango. So I've only got 2.6% of sugar, 1.3% of salt, they're a bit weird, can't lie. Ugh. They're a bit weird. I don't know if it's just because I brushed my teeth or not. Let's have the banana. Trusty banana, you can't go wrong with banana. The mango just looked at me this morning. They were next to the energy shop. A banana in the morning is so good. Oh my god, there's some guy over there. He's like tattooed for like 99.9% of his body. He looks like a, I don't know, looks weird. Crazy dude. But last night's sleep wasn't the best again. The bed that I sleep on it's not comfortable at all. It's a bit hard, so my back's a bit sore this morning. But we'll shake it off on this run. Then we'll go to the gym and train back. Right, I'm gonna finish off this now and then we'll get the run started. So sit down, get yourself comfy, and let's get into this video. Lap 1, 6-minute pace. Nice and easy. Oh, that's a big junction. Lap 2, 6:05 again. But it's lovely. I'm a bit lost, but we'll figure it out. Lap 3, 6:02. It's lovely this morning, I can't lie. It's nice and cool as well. Still hot, mate, but not as it was last couple of other days. I'm gonna join the track now in the park. Finish off my run. The boys are playing that game of football, volleyball, or I don't know where you go. It's a vibe, this little place. Everything. Lap 4, 604. And there we are. 5k done at a 6-minute pace. Running at 30 minutes. Lovely. Easy peasy. What a lovely little morning that is. It's only now, what time are we on? 8:30. Let's go and get a coffee, walk home, and get ourselves ready for the gym. Yeah. Coffee! I've drank most of it. I was sat in there speaking to some French guy. Me speaking to a bloody French guy? I put my camera on the table for a second while I got my money out, and then he's like, "Oh, DJI." I'm like, "Yeah, DJI, mate." He's like, "Oh, I have number 4." And then we were like showing each other our cameras. And we're just talking about fitness and health and coffee. But yeah, let's walk home now, get changed, and get the gym, baby. Right, so. Don't any of you guys remember, you probably don't if you didn't watch any of the videos, probably. I don't know if they were even released any of them videos. But in Vietnam, there was these fruits, and I bloody loved them. Right, it's going to take me 2 hands to get inside of it, but I'll show you the insides now. A little bit of a better idea of what it's like inside. Some of them have pips in, like you can just eat. And then some of them are like really hard seeds that you just spit out. But it's like in between a lychee and a melon. But they're just really nice. Yum yum yum. Whoa. Where are you going? and we are finished with the gym. What a great session that was. I feel strong. Just gonna head back to the house now, get myself ready quickly, and then we'll head to the waterfalls. It's 11 AM. Might stop somewhere on the way, just grab some food, and then yeah, chill out at the waterfall for a little bit. Let's go. Just stopped at 7-Eleven to grab another one of these. Ah, bloody lovely. And I got myself 2 bananas. And once again, some bottles of water down here. Let's go. In the bloody distance there. I'll just stop quickly and put some fuel in. It wasn't like empty, but it cost me 145 baht, and like I'll show you when it comes on where it was at. Oh, cop and cab. Cop and cab. You can see it was on this bar here, so 145 is tipping on there. So I think it's around about, say, 160 for a full tank. Crazy. Let's go. I don't know if you can see, but all these tanks here. Military flare. Stop music. Might grab a little something snack. Maybe someone's setting fireworks off, or someone's shooting. It won't go off now, won't it? No, I started recording. But I can't lie, that chicken fried rice was unbloody believable. I literally just inhaled that. It was so good. Here we are, we're entering where the waterfall place is. Don't know. Entrance. Ta-da. Deep head. Yeah. Howdy, Cap. $120?
120 You keep ticket this year, you can go the Sutapui National Park, same ticket one day.
Okay, cop and cap. Keep the ticket. Number 3, okay. Number 3. Parking lot 3. Here we go. Is it me, or does this place look abandoned? Okay, this is what we're looking at. We are here. Oh, we're gonna go all the way up to level 10. Let's go. They even got the dogs out. Look. Jeez. You're also wondering, I wonder what Jake actually looks like. What do you think of this? Oh, crazy. Oh, entrance. Here we go. Look at this, covers my whole face now, babe. You know what I mean? God. I didn't know I could do this so stylish. The dogs. Oh my god, what sound is that? We're lost in the jungle. It's getting a little bit slippy though, can't want it? Whoa, look at the rock formation, dude. Oh my god, we have to cross the river? Whoa. Oh, we made it. Oh, I got my dogs wet. The dogs are officially wet. Oh, this is lovely there. Oh, something's attacking me already. Get off me. Nice. Nice. There's a waterfall! It's only level 5. You can actually get behind it as well if you wanted to. Whoa. Whoa. Maybe I will later. I want to just see what it's like at level 10. And then we'll make our way down slowly and relax a bit more. But look at me. Off-roading. I just love the sound. There's butterflies flying around everywhere. Got a sound of like a cricket in the background. Spiders everywhere. Then you have me. Ultimate animal. Say what? Whoa! Oh, it's such a nice light breeze and water on my face. Big big one, look at that one. We're hit. Oh, waterfalls, waterfalls. Oh, what was that? Something moved. Oh, it's a little lizard. Whew. Well, I was gonna die. No food or drinks allowed in waterfall area 6 and 7. Actually, that was only number 5. Oh, it's amazing here. Look at that. Oh, nice. Very nice. It's really hot. Oh my god. They made this staircase. Nice. Like a little helipad. Crazy! I just love that they made steps. Wonder if the camera actually picks up the noises of what this place is making. I feel like I'm tripping, but I'm not even on anything. You hear that? Wow. I don't think many people have come up here, to be honest, because I keep like walking through webs. So I really don't think that many people have been here. It sounds like someone's like zip lining, you know, like zzz. But it's just nature. Bloody magical. What does level 10 waterfall look like? Wow. I think it would look better from down there though. Nice. a lovely little place this is. I'm just gonna chill out here for a couple of minutes then. Nice. Let's chill out. I am so tempted to try and walk along that big tree, but there's no one around, so it's not worth the risk. If there was other people here, then I would do it, but it's not the smartest thing to do when you're all by yourself, so I'm taking a miss. I was just chilling at the Waterfall 10 for about half an hour, but without moving I just started getting super hot. So I'm just gonna make my way down now, just have a little stroll. It's lovely though, just being in this bit. Whoa! I don't know what just hit me then, but it like hit my arm really hard. Oh, I was just saying then, it's so nice to be in the jungle. Oh, I've nearly said that about 5 times as well. The off-road mode on these is not the best, can't lie. Oh, there's a lizard. When the floor moves in front of you, like, oh, look at this. So, George at jungle, fly for George the jungle. Watch out for that tree. Oh, watch out for that tree. Watch out for that bamboo tree. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, watch out for that tree. Watch out for that bamboo tree. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Oh, what a life, what a life, what a life, what a life. Ready to go. You're asking, Jake, why are you not going in the water? Well, it's because there's no one here, and I like to be a bit safe. So if I do get stuck, my foot gets stuck or whatever, if there was people around, then it would be great, but no one here. Plus, I'm not the biggest fan of the water. Long story, but in short, I nearly drowned. Whoa, dude! Look at these. In Mexico in 2021. And ever since then, me and the water haven't been the best of friends. Whoa. It's just crazy walking around this jungle. Look at it. Look at this for a bridge. Damn. All trees have been collected now. Look, we're all there. Well, that was a lovely, nice walk through the jungle with the waterfalls, and I had a nice little chillax. But it's so hot. I've got some creatine, Coca-Cola flavour from this shop, VX. I drove past it and I was like, oh, I can see this. I was like, wonder they have creatine? So they do. So, your boy's got a creatine. Yeah. So I've just been sat down, to be honest, doom scrolling for the last hour or two, and I'm deciding that I'm gonna go and check out this sauna that I've been looking at. So let's go and bloody do that. Right, so we've already been here an hour now. There's less people, so I'll show you a little rotation. First, just a little cold shower. And then we'll have a little dunk in the cold plunge. Don't stay in there too long. Oh, it is currently 3 degrees. That's enough for me. And then now, I can't feel my legs. How red I've gone. Now we do 10 minutes in the sauna. So I'm gonna go in here for 10 minutes and I'll show you when I'm back out. That's 10 minutes done. A little mouthful of water now, and then jump in the cold plunge again and jump in the herbal steam room for 10 minutes. It's fun, this, can't lie. I don't know how people last long in here, you know. A couple of seconds and I'm out. Come about! Jack! Jack! There's a boat! Yeah. Oh, it smells so good in here. Oh, I can't see! Hello! Oh. Yeah. Oh, it's lovely in here. Oh. There is no one in here, that's why I brought the camera in. There was another guy in the sauna. Oh, Stanley wants quick. Bloody hell. Last one now. Oh, I just love the feeling of being cold, hot, cold, hot. It's just so good. Oh, it smells so nice. It just smells like, I don't know what it smells like. Herbs, orange, citrusy. Look at my hands. Oh, I can't really see. Like old men hands. Wrinkly as anything. Right, I'm just going to throw you out because I don't want the camera to break or overheat or anything. So, one sec, I'm just going to throw you outside. And that is 10 minutes done. Oh. Let's do a little walk through quickly. So, infrared one here, another cold plunge shower, sauna here, and then as you walk through changing rooms, got the steam room here, showers, then they have cold plunge, and then hot bath here with toilets and showers at the back. It's pretty neat. It's very good. And they even offer jasmine tea, can't really say that one, water, and even pineapple jam cookies. And you get a towel as well. So good. All for 490 baht. Nice. Can't repeat it. I just love being in the sauna. I don't know what it is, but it just makes me feel so good after it. I honestly don't know. It's the best invention in the world. Just like that, there you go. And I'm dripping with sweat. Right guys, it is the end of the vlog. I've just had a shower. It is currently 22 minutes past 10. I was gonna go bed, and then I was like, oh, I'll obviously brush my teeth. I brushed my teeth and then I turned around and I'm like, technically just have a shower. I did it yesterday as well. So then I just had a shower while I brushed my teeth, and the next minute, 20 minutes has gone by. And yeah, I'm just gonna jump in bed now on this rock fucking solid bed and try to get some good sleep. Good solid 8 hours. Set me alarm for 7 AM again. So yeah, but you can't wait for tomorrow's vlog. Yay! Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe if you are new. And as always, we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, love you faces, and signing out.